Lots of fish, lots of releases, nice releases. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. First fish of the day. Whit gets it today.
His eye is like,
Oh yeah,
weird.
it is. It's like inside of his.
yeah. Say maybe one.
Yeah. All right, let's get a release. First fish. Let's catch some more. There it goes. All right, we'll see you when we catch another one.
Got one. See if we can land this thing. He's decent. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there you
He got back on.
First fish for me. Don't shake. Okay. Ow! No, I got him. There you go. First fish for me. Oh, right out. Not a bad one.
Oh, not a bad one.
They release so nice in this pond. All right, let's catch some more. I just caught this one. Second one of the day. Camp's about to join us. It's raining a little bit, but hey, fishing in the rain, catching some, you know, we gotta love it. So, not as big as the first one. All right. So not a big one. They fight like crazy in here. I thought it was massive, but there you go. Second one of the day. Let's catch some more. Whit's on. He can land this. We both get 2. Nice. Number 4 of the day. 2 for Whit, 2 for me.
It's going pretty well.
Let's go. We've only been here for like 10 minutes. Already caught 4. These curly tails in this pond are just so good. Perfect hook set.
No, it's not that big one.
Yeah, not. But I mean, hey, fish. All right. There it goes. Nice. Number 4. Let's go. Davis has one on right now, all the way on the other side of the pond. Come up. Is he big? He doesn't look small.
How big would you say?
Well, first one for Davis. Me and Whit have 2 each. We've both missed a hook set. Third one of the day for me. Davis is still over there doing something. Whit's right here has caught 2. Pretty small one. They're pretty small today, but I mean, yeah, that has been bit. He's been caught before.
Out of the camera.
I got it. All right, get released. Third one of the day for me.
There he goes.
There he goes. Yeah, that one's been caught before. Whit was looking at his phone, and his rod was sitting on the ground or on the fence, and I was like, Whit, you're getting bit. Number 3 for Whit today. Let's 7 in all. Camp is eating Chick-fil-A right now.
Yeah, that's annoying me.
Davis just caught one. We're doing.
Davis, I was on my phone and he was on and I didn't know.
He set his rod on the fence, but all right, Davis just caught one. Number 2 for him. We're doing really good today. Rain fishing's the best.
Can that be my...
Wait, that's actually a good one. Whit just caught one.
Hey, sit.
That's like 3. That's like 2.5.
Yeah, I'll see.
Yeah, Davis, get that one as your thing.
Ow, gosh. Ow. It cut me.
That's the best one of the day by far.
Well,
Perfect hook set. That's the best one by far.
God, this thing is shaking.
All right.
Nice fish.
Nice fish. Get release. There it goes.
Oh. I'm only missed one fish today.
Whit just caught one. That's like baby bass.
There's literally no way.
Bro, on the topwater bait.
I wish we got it.
Topwater explosion.
I wish we got it jumping. It's pretty big.
Let's go. Topwater fish.
I might have to like...
Hey, is that your first ever topwater fish?
Yeah. Oh, he's not bad. That was a pretty cool explosion though. Yeah, I didn't see it. Bro,
I just heard it.
When we get the GoPros, you get this like
It's not a bad one. That's a pretty good one.
Wait, that's not bad at all. All these fish are long and like fat. That's like 2, maybe half, right?
Yeah, maybe 2. It's probably 2. It's not as fat.
Dang, that's like... What do y'all say? Say in the comments.
There it is.
How big would you say it? Say it in the comments.
All right, get a release. Nice topwater fish.
Yep. Beautiful.
There it goes.
Bye-bye. Did it, man.
Nice.
Wait, what is that number? No, number 6?
6.
Ow, crap, man.
Yeah, me and Davis are using top water, and one just tried to go for Davis's.
Let's get the release. Hey, it's not bad.
He's not bad at all. I feel like all these fish in this pond are long.
Except for the one I just
not
caught.
to be weird. They're like all long.
It's all this algae stuff. Go.
Oh, he's off.
Look at that release.
Algae. You can. Wait, got one. His 7th fish? Or what is it? Where is it? So confused. He's trying to spit it.
You got a bad one.
Is that 7?
Am I getting that?
Oh God.
Am I getting that, Kent? Come on.
Is that 7?
Yeah, it's 7.
He's hooked really good. I'll just do that. Nice.
Come down. No.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, I swear he was so good. That's right.
a nice fish. Oh, yeah, it is. Nolan, number 7. Remember when we were tied? Look at that.
Nice.
Wait, I feel like every
Get that
time I'm
mountain.
fishing, you catch the most fish.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Let's get a really
I
something.
will not be kissing it. It's like right here. Oh gosh.
Woo!
Bro, it hits different. 1.5. Bro, why are these fish's mouths so big?
Oh, that's not a bad one.
Maybe
so
look at
long.
all that side.
They're literally all long.
Not
Nice.
bad.
Nice fish.
Nice.
Yeah. Beautiful. Oh wow. He's blind.